All right, guys, we're going to do a quick install on how to put on the 4G Hemi wing. We have both here. We have the early model right there, and we have the late model right here. And I'm going to show you how to attach those to the main unit. Hold that. So the unit needs to come through the backside, and you want to start in the middle, put your screw in, and then work your way across to each of them. And that's the same with both wings. Start in the middle and then work your way outwards, putting those on. When you attach the screw, you have 6 washers. Each screw gets 2 washers over it. So when it comes through like this, it goes just like, of course it's going to be a, you know what, just like that. All right, that's it.